make white fudge. First, you need 2 bags of white chips, white chocolate. Dump them in a pan. These are 12-ounce bags, so you need 24 ounces of white chips and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, which is 14 ounces. And that's it. All we're going to do is heat it up and melt it. Put it on wax paper in a cookie sheet until it cools off and we can cut it. I cut it with a pizza cutter. It's just easier that way. Make sure you line your cookie sheet pan though with wax paper. You need to get all the milk out. Get a spatula, give it some help out of there. You don't want to cook this on high because you don't want it to scorch. So about medium heat. And I do have a recipe for chocolate fudge, but it's different because chocolate's easier to set up. White isn't, so you need more of the chips for the white mix. And I don't put vanilla in the white mix either. It's just 2 ingredients, the milk and the chips, and you just got to melt them. You just got to keep stirring them as they melt. See, they're starting to melt already. It doesn't take very long. Okay, see how nice and soft it is now? That's the consistency you want. So turn the burner off. Over here I have a cookie sheet. I put parchment paper on it first and then wax paper, just in case it goes over the sides. But wax paper is a lot easier to get off of fudge than parchment paper is. So you just stick it in there, and then we'll start in the middle with your fudge. And just dump it in the middle of the pan. And then we'll spread it out. And if you want to help it cool faster, you can always put it in the refrigerator or in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Just to help it cool down faster. Then all you do is just spread it out. I know you got to hold one side of the wax paper while you're moving it this way, so your wax paper ain't moving all over the place. Just hold one end of it so it ain't going every which way. Try to spread it out evenly, just like that. Okay, our white fudge is all spread out, and just to be festive, since it's almost Halloween, I'm putting some Halloween sprinkles on it. Little ghosts and bats and pumpkins, just to be a little festive. You can do that with any holiday. If it's Christmas, you can use Christmas sprinkles, whatever holiday it is, just to be festive. Or you can just leave them off. So now all you have to do is wait for it to cool. It'll usually cool in about an hour. But like I said, you can hurry it up by putting it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. And then you just cut it and put it in a container with a lid. Now that our white fudge has been in the refrigerator for 20 minutes to cool, I cut it with a pizza cutter. And there is your white fudge decorated for Halloween. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and hope you enjoy the 2-ingredient white fudge.